folks, I gotta do this quick. I hope this camera still works. I put a different SD card in it. Oh, my battery's gonna die. I'm gonna do the same song, both cameras. Song comparison, sound. Okay, next camera to the Playtouch Zi10 is next. See what kind of difference we got. Look any different? I don't know. Maybe this picture looks better. All right, do some sound and stuff. Same song, same volume, same spot.
Head. Face head.
Just so you know, you didn't hear it clipping. That wasn't a clip. That was like I used Nero or some shit to record this CD, so it kind of sucks. It like puts skips in the song, almost like it's skipping. I don't like it, but my other program I use to burn CDs is being a bitch right now. I'm not recognizing my burner out of nowhere. I don't know why, but just want to see a comparison. Hell, I want to see it myself on the computer just to see what the sound's different and the flex and the view and all that. But see ya next time. No, I like Taco Bell. Pretty good. But nobody likes Taco Bell more than my little girl. She wants to eat Taco Bell or like the little Tostino pizzas every day. And I told her no Taco Bell today, but I'm a sucker. If you're a dad and you got a daughter, you know what I'm talking about. Especially if they're like about 7. Give me them eyes. It was like, oh, Dad, Taco Bell. I'm a sucker. Anyway, Taco Bell is always a win. I know I was supposed to do this like a video comparison and I just keep on going. But I had to show you this. I got this CD at Slamology this year and I just opened it today because my wife's like, what are you going to do with it, man? So, you know, I was like, well, let me have it. I'll check it out. Here's what it is. I don't know if you can see that or what you can see. It says, Brad Real, Married to the Music. I think it's like Christian, maybe. But it beats down the block, man. The CD is pretty rowdy. Check it out, I'll show you one of the songs. Oh yeah, by the way, I think by putting that second layer of Deadner on my trunk, like lowered my frequency in here, because I pick up the lows a little better. Anyway, check it out.
Out here making moves, out here paying dues, but nobody knows what I'm going through.
I get so sick and tired of people saying I ain't good enough, and people in the industry will say that I ain't good enough. It's like I surely rock, cause I've been spending so much time. These kids that's making tracks don't know the meaning of grind. I love this hip-hop music, but I feel like a slave. Another ball, another chain. Lord, won't you stop the pain? I won't ever stop the game, but Lord, won't you stop the rain? I'm working 9 to 5, 5 days a month. So if I really want the shit, I can't ever stop the sex. So nigga, go and pop the million, I'ma go and something. If you wanna reach your dreams, then I suggest you follow me. Follow me out here, make it